Well, hey guys, I'm back at the farm pond, but I thought I'd do something a little different today. Thought I would use two cameras. I got my GoPro strapped on me. I'm going to try to get some footage from a different perspective. So, got two angles set up. Let's do some casting and see if it works. Nice little bass. Caught it on a, looks like a green and chartreuse H&H spinnerbait. There he is. Oh, he took it, but didn't get him. Get back out there. Well, they're biting it, but I mean, it's not setting the hook. There he is. Dang, that feels like a better one. Yeah, there's another one. Laying right out there by that log. Actually, it's a stump sticking out of the water. Nice that it's out of the water so I can see the cast against it. There he is, laying right out there by that stump. They look like they're all about the same size, but hey, it's all right. I'll take them. Got me a fishing scale ordered, so pretty soon I'm gonna be able to actually weigh them, see what they weigh. Nice little old bass though. Oh, that's a fish. I got a fish. I thought I hung on that stump, but it's a fish. Hey, that's a little better. I know this. They sure like this green one today. There's what I'm catching them on. There he is. First cast on a white one. It's funny, I say every bass is a nice bass, but hey, they're all nice to me. I just like catching them. Well, I moved around the pond a little bit. I caught some fish over here last time I was here, but the water's way down, so let's cast in here and see what we can do. There we go. Finally hooked him. Well, he bit it about 4 times. Don't get under that log. Yeah. They like these spinner baits today, I know that. Well guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. If I was keeping them, I'd definitely have enough for dinner tonight, but hey, I like to throw them back. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.